Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this factory certified 2020 Dodge Durango RT Edition SUV. This Durango has the brass monkey appearance package with the 20-inch bronze wheels, high-intensity discharge headlights, heated and power door mirrors, remote keyless entry, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. On the inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 6 with heated and power front seats, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, adaptive cruise control, and push-to-start technology. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Dodge Durango has less than 45,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.